David Warwick of Warwick Chiropractic here in Lacey, Olympia, Washington, and we have Rafe on the table. Rafe, why do you come in? Because you're 6'6", 6'7", and get a lot of low back pain? So even for you tall guys out there, chiropractic could benefit. He's taller than my room practically, but he definitely feels the difference in his back when he gets care once in a while when he comes in as he needs it. Okay. Short on the right side, about a good inch. So the right pelvis is locked on this side. Stabilize the left. And we're using a technique called Thompson or drop technique. So you see the chiropractors tend to position their bodies a little bit different, or their hands a little differently as they make the adjustment based on what they're finding. I'm adjusting the sacrum. Go ahead, raise your left leg for me, Rafe. Don't bend the knee. Okay, back down. Try the other one. Back down. Not that he needs to be taller, but he likes that stretch in that area to help hydrate the disc. Stretch the muscles a little bit in the back there. Helps relax a little bit more. Looks like you got a little burn there, Rafe. You've been riding on the motorcycle?
No, I was at the races the other day. Oh, that burn was from my exhaust on my truck.
New job, I hear.
Yeah, I'm helping a friend get a company going.
Good for you.
But yeah, I was sitting there talking to another driver and I leaned right up against the exhaust.
With your forehead?
No, with my shoulder. The rest of it's from the races. Yeah.
Everybody gets burned on a tailpipe sooner or later, right?
Yeah, big stack. I keep forgetting that they don't have any heat shields.
Won't do that again, huh?
No.
That was long overdue, sir.
Yeah.
You're gonna feel the table drop underneath you here.
We'll probably have to come before or after our trip on motorcycle in September.
Where are you guys heading?
Arena for street vibration.
Oh, very nice.
Motorcycle.
So Rafe doesn't always like his neck adjusted by hand, so we use an instrument to help relax that area. I do a little bit more stretching of the area and the upper mid-back. You saw I used the drop piece with it to help ease the vertebrae into place. It's a lot easier. A person doesn't tend to resist as much, and you can relax a little more with it. This is an instrument called the activator. So I'm adjusting some key areas in his spine without getting that cracking or popping. If you don't like that, you can ask your chiropractor to use one of the many instruments they have in their office. Okay, go ahead, lay on your back, Rafe. I noticed you're a little weak in the upper body. What's going on?
Yeah, I haven't been to the gym. I've been working out at home, but yeah, just working long hours.
So I'm going to have you bend your knees, put your feet on the table for me, and then scoot down a little bit. You maxed out my table even, tall guy. All right, head down for me. Good, we're going to cross the arms right here.
Oh, that one, okay.
We'll be careful of that shoulder. Breath in, release out. Good. Blow it out. Good. Lift your head for me, sir, and back down. We're going to do a nice easy traction right through here. This is a lot easier on him. So you saw some of the docs use a traction towel. I tend to use a pillowcase. It's from biophysics actually, that traction maneuver. And you set the towel, or the understanding is to set the area where the misalignment is and do a straight traction to help open up those joints when it's a little more difficult to do any of the traditional. Sometimes chiropractors use that. Good, we're going to do a stretch here. Push your head against my hand. And relax. Good. Let yourself go. Bring your right ear to your right shoulder, Ray. Your other right shoulder. And relax. He was Air Force, so, you know.
Yeah.
Well, usually Army messes that one up. Left ear to left shoulder for me. And relax. Good. Go ahead, sit up for me, sir. Face that way. Glad you made it in. Long overdue.
Me too. Well, I took the day off. I needed a break.
Rafe comes in. He's been coming in to me, gosh, 5-6 years.
God,
So,
it's been that long. That's
yeah.
good.
Yeah, I had more hair at the time. It was definitely buffer, right? All right. How'd that feel?
A lot better, yeah.
Good job.
Yeah.
All right, I'm Dr. David Warwick.